Welcome to Edward Johnson and Associates PC. Are you looking to clear your criminal record and start fresh? Understanding the expungement process is the first step towards achieving that goal. Let's walk through the entire process, step by step. The first step is to find out if your criminal record is eligible for expungement. This depends on the type of offense, the time elapsed since the conviction, and your overall criminal history. Visit our website to complete a quick eligibility check form at edwardjohnsonlaw.com/expungementinfo. Make sure you gather all necessary documents, such as arrest records, court documents, and details of any completed sentences or probation. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to fill out the expungement petition. This legal document requests the court to clear your criminal record. Our expert attorneys will help you complete this accurately and thoroughly. After completing the petition, we will file it with the appropriate court. This involves submitting the petition and any supporting documents, along with the necessary filing fees. Once the petition is filed, we will notify all relevant parties, including law enforcement agencies, prosecutors, and any other entities involved in your case. They will have the opportunity to review and object to your petition. If any objections are raised, a court hearing will be scheduled. This is your opportunity to present your case. Our experienced attorneys will represent you, advocating on your behalf to ensure the best possible outcome. After the hearing, the judge will make a decision. If the judge grants the expungement, they will issue an order to expunge your records. You will receive a certified copy of this order. Once the order is issued, we will send copies to all relevant agencies, including law enforcement and state databases, to ensure your records are updated and expunged. Finally, you will receive confirmation that your records have been cleared. This process may take some time, but it's worth the wait. With a clean record, you can move forward with confidence and new opportunities. At Edward Johnson and Associates, we guide you through every step of this process with expertise and dedication. Don't let your past hold you back any longer. Contact us today to start your expungement journey. Edward Johnson and Associates PC, your trusted partner in the expungement process. Visit www.edwardjohnsonlaw.com or call 708-529-6969 for a free consultation.